Let's create supplier tasks for an action plan. Navigate to the source to pay workspace. Click Manage My Suppliers under Quick Actions. Select the supplier from the list. Under Related Work, select Action Plans. Select the action plan to add a supplier task to it. Navigate to the Action Plan Items tab. Select Create to add a new supplier task. Select Supplier Task, and then select the type of assignee for the task. Select the action type from the drop-down list. Select Create to create the task. Select the due date for the supplier task. Add the supplier contact, or employee name to whom the task is to be assigned. Select the expected start date. Save the new supplier task. Click Submit Task to submit the task to the assignee.